Hello friends, welcome to Golden Career. So today we are starting India Post Payment Bank batch, and first topic which today we will learn is simplification or approximation. Simplification and approximation is very important for your exams because you will get approx 5 questions in prelims and as well as 5 questions in your mains exam. So it is very important and you can solve it very quickly. So today I will tell you how to solve it, and these 5 questions you can solve in hardly 2 to 3 minutes, and that too with accuracy. So you can get 5 marks in 2 minutes. So let's proceed. The first thing is BODMAS rule. What you have to do is you have to solve the equation according to BODMAS rule. Now what is BODMAS rule? BODMAS stands for brackets, orders or powers, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So this is order. Suppose there is a question given like 36 divided by 6 plus 24 divided by 2 square minus 4 is equals to what? Okay, then again brackets, so there is no brackets. Now next is order or powers, so there is a power 4. Then division, what we have to solve is the division part. This is and this is 36 divided by 6 6, and 2 square 4 4 divide 24 divided by 4 6 and minus 4. So 6 plus 6 is equals to 12, and then minus 4, that is equals to 8. So 8 will be the answer. So first you have to solve powers, then division, then multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. Actually you can solve addition and subtraction. You can solve subtraction first or you can solve addition first. It will not make any change in your answer. It will not affect your answer. So learn the BODMAS rule and practice more questions. You will able to solve the question quickly, and that too with accuracy. Now here are some questions. Actually this is very basic level, first second question, but in first and second question I will tell you how to multiply quickly. What you have to do is here we have to multiply 36 multiplied by 102. So you don't need to do this 102 multiplied by 36 and you have to do an all. So it will take a lot of time. What you have to do is 36, we can write 102 with 100 and plus 2. So 3600, 3600, and 36 multiplied by 2 is 72. So 3672. So in this way you can multiply very quickly, and you can save your time. Again one more example. Sorry, yes, 32 multiplied by 97. Now you have to multiply 97 with again same 32. How can we write 97? 100 minus 3. Now 32, 3200, or minus 32 multiplied by the 3 2 just 6, 3 3 is a 9, 96, 3 1 0 4. So this is the answer. Again very easy, and if you practice a lot then you can multiply any number within 10 to 15 seconds. So again everything depend on your practice. Solve at least 100 to 150 simplification questions today. Please check your mail. I have also provided the assignment, and assignment consists of 30 questions, but you may practice more questions You may refer to any book, you may go to various websites, you may search question on Google, and you can solve them. Now third is 7 by 9 divided by 7 by 3. Again, 7 by 9 divided by 7 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 6 divided by 3 by 7. So in this you don't need to divide this by this. What you have to do is 7 by 9, change this into multiply. If you change this sign into multiply, what you have to do is you have to reverse this part. Write it as 3 by 7 multiplied by 3 by 6, again divide, multiply. So we will reverse it, 7 by 3. 3 3 7 7, 3 3 3 are 9. So it will be 7 by 18. So here is your answer. So what student usually do is they first they multiply, then they divide, so it will be very complicated. What you need to do is you have to just change this sign into multiply, or you can change this sign too. Right is at 6 by 3, and you can change the multiply into divide. So do as per your convenience, and again practice a lot of questions. The next is percentage. Actually percentage is nothing. Percentage means just divide by 100. 60% of 80. So 60% of 80, 60 multiplied by 80 divide by 100. This will be 60% of 80 plus 80% of 80. 80 multiplied by 80 divide by 100. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 48 plus 64. So 8 for 12, 2, carry 1, 6 for 10, 1, 112 is the answer. Again, this is you may get this type of question in your exam. 1 by 3 plus 2, 4 by 6 plus 4, 7 by 12. What student usually do is what they will do is 3 ones are 1 plus 1, they will write as 4 by 3, and then 6 twos are 12 plus 4, 16 by 6. So don't do this, don't use this method. It will take too much time, and you will not be able to solve the question quickly. So what you have to do is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, write whole part here, then bracket 1 by 3 plus 4 by 6 and plus 7 by 12. Now you have to solve only this part. 1 2 plus 3 2 plus 1 3 and 3 plus 4 7. So what will be the LCM? LCM will be 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 plus 6 2s are 12. 8 plus 7. 7 4 11 and 8 19. It is 19 by 12. We can further solve it. 7 was in the whole part. So so again 12 is smaller than 19. It means we will get one more as a whole number, so it will be 8. And if you 19 divide by 12, ones at 12 and 7 19. So this one you have to add this one into 7. So 8 whole 7 by 12. This will be the answer. Now the next is 30% off, 50% off, 10% off, 1000. So you can solve this question in reverse order. 30% off, 50% off, 10% off 1000. So 1000's 10% is 100. You can calculate it in your mind, you don't need to write anything. Then 50% of it, then 50% of it, divide by 100. So again 50, and then 30% of it, 30 divide by 100, 0 0, and the 15 will be the answer. So if you get this kind of question, then it's better to solve it in reverse order. Now again, you will get this type of question in your exam, actually in your prelims exam. 38 multiplied by 0.5 minus 16. So again, according to BODMAS rule, bracket, order, division, multiplication. So we have to solve multiplication first. Again, don't multiply, just what you have to do is 572 plus 38, 0.5 means 1 by 2, divide by 2, minus 16, 219. So it will be 572 plus 90 minus 16 is equal to 3. 575 will be the answer. So you can solve this question in hardly 5 to 7 seconds. Now the last is 12 plus 22, divide by 11, multiply by, again here is the bracket and order. So first you have to solve the bracket. So 12 plus 22 divide by 11 into sorry, this is 11, multiply 18 divide by this, 18 divide by 3, 6, and power to 6 square of 6 minus 10. So 12 plus 22, again 22 divided by 11, because according to BODMAS rule, first we will solve bracket, then division, then multiplication, and then multiplied by 36 minus 10. 11 to the 22, so 12 plus 2 multiplied by 36 minus 10. Here first we will multiply 12 plus 36 multiplied by 2, 72 minus 10. Then in addition and subtraction we can do anything according to our choice. So 72 plus 10, 82 plus 2, 84. 84 minus 10 is equals to 74 will be the answer. So I think questions are not that much difficult. What you have to do is you have to practice a lot. You have to use some tricks to multiply, and there may be some questions there may be some questions which has lot of squares and cubes. So in next video I will tell you the trick to square quickly, tricks to find the cube of a number very quickly, and even you can find the square and cube without writing anything on your paper. Wait for next video, I will teach you, I will tell you how to find the square root, cube root, square and cube of any number. Now next is approximation. Again in approximation, first what you have to do is look for options. If options are very close, then you have to approx value, then you have to suppose there is a 123.45, suppose there is a number 12.45, so you cannot approx it as 13 if options are very close, and if options are not very close, then you can approx it as 13. If options are very close, then make it 12.5 only. So here Option A is 900, B is 800. So option B, C, D, E are close, but option A is so B, C, D, E are close. So what we will do is we can write 25.05 as 25 multiplied by 123.95. We can write it as 124 plus 388.999. So we can write it at 390 or 389. We will write it as 389 because B, C, D options are very close, and suppose there is no close options, then we can write it as 390, so it will be easy to calculate it. Sorry, just a minute. Yeah, multiplied by 15. So again, BODMAS rule, 25 multiplied by 124. What you can do is 25 multiplied by 120 plus 4 and plus 389 multiplied by 15. So what you can do is 400 minus 11 multiplied by 15. So again 25 multiplied by 120. So 25 multiplied by 12. 12 5 is a 60, 0 0 is 300. It will be 300 and 1 0 3000 plus 25 multiplied by 4 is 100. Now plus 400 multiplied by 15, 6000 minus 15 multiplied by 11. So 15 divided by 11 is 15 tens are 150 and 150 165. So 3000 plus 100, actually this 165 is in my 165, subtract 100 from 165, it will be 65, and subtract 65 from this, so it will be 2935 plus 6000. So the answer will be 68,935. C option will be correct. Suppose if you have taken 390 here, then you may get answer close to 8,950, and you may tick 8,950 as a right answer, but this will be wrong. So if the options are close, take the closest value. Don't approximate 388 as 390 or 295 as 300. Now next is 9999 divide by 99 and divide by 9. So what you can do is you can change it into multiplication. 9999 multiplied by 1 by 99 and multiplied by 1 by 9. Okay. uh 99 ones are 99, then 0 and 1, so it will be 101 divided by 9. Now 9 ones are 9 and 10 and 1 11, so it will be 11 point something. 11 will be the right answer. Move to the next question. 78,700 divided by 1748 plus 3.79 multiplied by 121.24. Again, look at the options. Options are not very close, so we can convert, we can take 1748 as 1750 and 3.79 as 4. So what will we do is 7 8 7 00 divided by 1750 plus 4 multiplied by 121. Okay, so multiply this first. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, it will be 484, and 0 0 connected with the 5, 5 threes are 15, 2 17, 5 5 ones are 5, it will be 1574 divided by 35. So 35, what we can do is 35 multiplied by 100 will be 3500, and 1574 is approx half of 3500. So I think it will go around 5 times, means 50 times 45. Okay, let's get it. 5 7 ja 35, and 5 3 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5, 2 7, and 5 5 ja 25. 24 we will take 24 as 25. Now 3 1 5 divided by 7, 7 3 ja, sorry, 7 4 ja 28, and 3 k is 45. So 45 plus 484, we will add 5 4 9, 8 4 12, 2 carry 1, and 5 2 9 will be answer. So the closest option is 525. 525 will be the right answer. Move to the next question. It is 43.43 plus 43.34 plus 3.44 plus 4 plus 4. So again, look at the options. Options are not very close, so we can approx the value. What we can, 434, we can write 40 as a 43, 43, 3.44 as 3 plus 4. Again 336, 410, 414, 4 carry 1, 4 3 7 8, and 4. So 4 sorry, option C and D are very close. So what you have to do is, you cannot approx value here. I'm sorry, I haven't seen the options correct. We can't approx value because option C and D, there are difference of some points, there are difference in decimal, so we have to solve it. There is no option. 43.43, 43.34, 3.44, and 4.33. So for 336, 6 4 10, 10 4 14, 4 carry 1, 3 1 4, 4 8, 9 10 11, and 4 15. Again, you have solved this part. Now option B and C has decimal value 0.54, 0.54. It means option B, or either option B is correct or option C is correct. Okay, let's solve further. 4 4 1 5 1 4 1 5 3 8 9 10 11, and 11 and 4 15, 5 carry 1, 4 3 7 1 8, 85. We have found it, so option C is correct. So while you are doing approximation question, what you have to do is, you have to first you have to see the options. If options are not very close, then you can approx value. You can plus or minus 2 in the given question, but if the options are too close, then you cannot you cannot do major changes. Suppose there is 289.1 and the options are very close, then you can approx it as 289, not as 290. So solve a lot of questions, then you will have idea how to solve the question. So this is all about today's class. And please check your mail, all those students who have paid for the India Post Payment Bank batch, please check your mail and solve the assignment. What you have to do is you have to mail me, you have to solve the assignments, click the pic and mail me by tomorrow. And if you have any query, if you are not able to solve if you are not able to solve any question, or if you have any doubt, you can mail me. uh, I have sent the email ID with the assignments. Please check your mail. So, I will see you tomorrow. The time for discussion is 7 to 8 p.m. 7 to 8 p.m. tomorrow. I will answer all your queries. And what you have to do is you have to mail all your queries till 5 p.m. To my email ID. I have sent a mail and email ID mentioned in it. So this is all about today's class. Thank you, and please subscribe this channel to get further updates.